Hare Krishna. Today we are speaking Canto 1, Chapter 2, first few verses, where Suta Goswami prays to his spiritual master, and before that he first is in full of appreciation like this. Number 1, verse number 1. Vyasa uvacha iti samprashna samhrishto vipranam raumaharshanaihi pratipujya vachastesham pravaktum upachakrame. So Ugrashrava Suta Goswami, the son of Romaharshana, being fully satisfied by the perfect questions of Brahmanas, thanked them and thus attempted to reply. So he first thanks them, the sages, for their wonderful questions. His original name is Ugrashrava, but Suta Goswami is a post, like chief minister is a post, but the name is Ugrashrava. How he prays to his teacher? Like this. Suta uvacha yam pravrajantam anupetamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhinedus tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. So Suta Goswami is saying, I offer my respectful obeisance unto great sage Sukadeva Goswami, who can enter into the hearts of all. Actually, when he was born, after staying 16 years in the mother's womb, he started running because he wanted to escape from Maya. Maya in the form of parents also. But his parent, Vyasadeva, started running behind him. My son, my son. So this Shukadeva Goswami, being a liberated soul, he entered into the hearts of the trees and he made the trees also call out, my son to Vyasadeva, so as to pacify the father's heart. Means Shukadeva Goswami has the capacity to enter into the trees' hearts also. So here Suta Goswami, remembering that, is telling, please enter into the hearts of our listeners so that they can understand what you want them to understand, because you are, he says in the next verse, what you are. Yasvanubhavam akila shruti saramekam adhyatma deepamati shratam tamondham samsarinam karunayah purana guhyam tam Vyasa Sonu Mupayami Guru Muninam. Because you are Vyasa Sonu, the son of Vyasadev, you are my Guru, and you are the Guru for all the sages, and you are the Guru for future student of Bhagavatam on Facebook also. That's what he is telling, you see. And with great compassion, you spoke this cream of Vedic literatures with great compassion for those gross materialists who struggle to cross over the darkest regions of material existence. Means it's about us. He's going to be spiritual master. Now he only is teaching us. Like that he worship, and then he says prayers to Naranarayan Rishi like this. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayamudhirayet. He's telling, before reciting Srimad Bhagavatam, one should offer respectful obeisances to Narayana, Narayana Rishi, Mother Saraswati and Vyasadev. Because Tato Jayamudiret, Bhagavatam is going to bring victory to whoever listens. Tato Jayamudiret. It's such a nice scriptures like that, you know. Then he says, Munaya sadhu prishtoham bhavadbir loka mangalam yatkrita krishna samprashno yenatma suprasidati. He's now appreciating the questions and saying, your questions are worthy because they are related to Krishna and because it is related to the world's welfare. So question has to be related to Krishna and it has to be related to the world's welfare. How the question should be? It should be related to Krishna and related to world's welfare. Yes. Hare Krishna.